Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the camera picture size, resolution or aspect ratio on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen and then launch the camera app. Once the camera has launched, tap on the ratio button up here at the top menu. Once you tap on that, another sub-menu will appear. In here you got 3:4 ratio with a 108 megapixel. Then you got the standard 3:4 ratio. Now you also can choose 9:16. So let me take this photo first. And then if you go to 9:16, you can see the screen horizontal will go longer or wider depending on which way you are taking the photo. And if you tap on this again, you can choose 1:1. And if you tap on that button again, we can also choose a full screen resolution. And if I take a photo now, so let's take a look at the photos. This is full screen. You can see the photo goes to the edge of the screen. And here we got a square picture, 1:1 ratio. And then we got 9:16, and this is 3/4. And that's it. So that's how you can change the camera picture size, resolution, or the aspect ratio on the Galaxy S21 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.